You hook up?
Yeah.
What? Look at that guy, that's nice. Here today at the Fox River in De Pere, Wisconsin. Thanks for being here, Max. We got Amanda here to help today. We got some guys over here that bought some lures for me the other day. They're here to help. And we got a lot of people watching. So I'm here to clean out a bunch of lures and line. It starts right here. I think I'm just gonna tie the rope on it. I'm free flowing. I figured that was gonna happen. Air coming out in the cold water, it freezes up.
Well, you're having fun. That's the name of the game.
All right, go ahead and pull this one in. There's so many more down there, it's crazy. Yeah, there's a huge line still. Yeah, I was getting stuck out of my gloves. I was just pulling the hooks off. Here's a up there. Hey, skateboard, let's go on the trophy shelf.
Oh, that's on there too?
Does it move? Oh, you got it.
Oh, she's coming.
Oh, so might have broke off. Something on it.
Something on it.
There's more down there. Hey, don't you like free lures? You like them as much as I do? Your spot again. I'm trying to clean this up so people stop snagging in there. Send it. Oh, you got off? Nice. One for the homies. Can't feel my face. This is
Follow that.
what I got so far, and there's a lot more to go down there.
That's just cool, man. That's awesome.
These trucks are loose. I like tight trucks.